Hi, I'm Kat, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. Carepatron has recently designed a communication skills worksheet to help therapists teach their clients healthy communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively is an essential life skill. Good communication can lead to developing strong and healthy relationships, resolving conflicts, and achieving goals in your professional and personal life. Our communication skills worksheet is available for free and can be introduced into your practice by following these 4 easy steps. Firstly, you need to access and save the template. You can access a link to the template on our page, or you can find the template within our resource library in Carepatron. Secondly, the worksheet should be distributed to clients to complete. You can either assign it as a homework task or get your clients to write their responses during a session. Next, use the completed worksheet to guide your sessions. The answers that a client gives will be useful for developing a treatment plan, as they will give you insight into the client's areas of strength and weakness. Finally, completed communication skills worksheets contain confidential patient information. As such, they need to be stored in a HIPAA-compliant manner. Let's take a closer look at what the worksheet entails. The top section of the worksheet asks clients to rate their communication skills from 1 to 10 on the following areas: social situations, professional work-related situations, and romantic situations. The next section is supposed to be helpful for the therapist. It asks clients to consider the aspects of their communication that they think requires improvement, getting them to check relevant boxes to indicate which areas they find the most difficult. And then finally, the bottom of the worksheet is separated into a table. It's about reflecting on the interactions, asking clients to describe a situation, think about what went well, what didn't go well, and then write down ways that they could improve the situation for next time. To help give you a better understanding of how this worksheet will function, we've included a sample completed template. The Communication Skills Worksheet is additionally available from inside the Carepatron platform. Once you've logged into your account, navigate to the Templates tab, and then filter by Community Templates. This will bring up the entire collection of available resources. If you know what you're looking for, you can also plug in keywords. And then when you've found the template you want to use, select the Choose Template icon and then assign your client to the worksheet. From here, you simply have to click on the different sections in order to add in information. When you've completed the worksheet, click the Publish button and it will save securely.